All right, tubers, we've got a LEHR propane weed eater here. I'm not sure what model it is. I don't know if there's more than one model. I think there's only one model right now. We've got a broken throttle. This is how I bought it. The throttle is broken. And when you look up LEHR throttles, it really comes up with nothing unless you go to their website and call their phone number and have to find this and that. Well, I found that they actually share parts, especially with the throttle right here. But it, you can see, it's an Echo throttle lever trigger. The model numbers that this fits on is an SRM 210, 230, 260, 261. SRM 31. Part number is 178010-52130. But it's identical to what is actually on the weed eater. Open this up. You can see that they are exactly the same thing. This is about $6 on eBay. I broke this half. That's why it comes off so easy. Just to let you guys know. Don't break it if you can help it. There we go. Try to get that spring out of there. Let's see now. This guy will go like this. Oops. Wouldn't it be nice to have something that mounts to like your glasses, camera or such. Alright, this guy's gonna go like this. That guy goes in there. Not sure exactly where that throttle spring sits, but you get the idea. I'll get it back together. But yeah, just kind of showing you guys that you can get those from Echo. Yeah, different color. It's okay though. At least it fits. Yeah, I'll figure that out off camera instead of sitting here struggling, wasting your guys' time. Yeah, it's a short video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope it helped. Yeah, just go look up on eBay or Amazon or just Google it. You'll find the throttle piece. That's the SKU number, and then the part number is right there. The OEM 178010-52130. See you, tubers. Bye.